Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And it's been a long while I did not upload any videos, but I feel there's always a right time for right videos, and here's one of most favorite for me, and it is all about IKEA store and how I get supplies from IKEA. So let's get into the video and see my favorite list of IKEA products. So here's the first product. This is one of the most amazing pens which I used from IKEA, and these are general black pens with soft nice nib. So these pens, I don't know, I bought it somewhere around 250 rupees or something, but they were totally worth for this pen. So here I'm trying out some small mandala with this particular pen. Let me know how you feel. I mean, whenever you go to IKEA, I totally suggest you to get these pens. So here I'm drawing a very small mandala to show you how this pen exactly works, and I feel this is one of the most super and easy pen as of in this particular budget. So this is the final small little mandala which I did with this black pen, and it's not just the first time I'm using this pen, but it's been a long while I have been using it. So here comes my next product. This is about the sketch pens or markers. I don't know what exactly these were, but I felt these had a really great packaging and they were worth it. It was around 200 or something for this one product, and I felt, yeah, this is good enough for any beginners who are learning coloring or anybody who is just interested in doing. So you can just totally buy these pen, and let's do some small kind of test how the pigments are. And what I felt during this is like all the dark colors were really fantastic, but yeah, somewhere the light colors were okay enough, and I am okay with the whole set whatever I have bought for that particular price amount. Fine. Next is one of my favorites, these books from IKEA. I cannot explain you, it's been long while I bought them, but I did not even touch these books because I never want to use them at all. These are so good that I cannot explain you how I felt while buying this particular book, but I'm really happy with whatever I have in my hand. So this particular book is just a white papers book. It has like a grid and a lines pattern which can be used as a reference in the white pages. Otherwise, this soft cover and the nice pages, I felt this is very nice buy for me from IKEA. And there's one more small book. This is around A5 size or something, and I really felt the texture of this particular book is totally different. It's a 3D effect, and I cannot say you how much I love this book. This is again a white paper book, and as you saw from the other book, right, there's a small grid and the pages for reference, and I felt this is one of the best books I had, and I don't want to use them as well. So the next product is kind of organizer which I used for my storage of pens and pencils, and this quality wise it's the best. I know it's a bit expensive, but I felt that's really okay when you have such an organizer which will keep everything in place. And I'm happy with this particular organizer. Comes one of the last items, but this is again an organizer which I'm mad about this box. I know it has random stuff in it, but I cannot explain you how I loved this box on the first sight. It was just an organizing box. They gave you a sheet and